This right here is the Redtiger F7NA 4K dual dash cam, and it is especially made for people who actually care about usable and also super sharp footage. The F7NA is not just capturing a video, it is actually capturing all the details when they matter most. And the big focus here is the front camera. We get true 4K with the Sony IMX678 sensor, and the reason why that matters so much is actually simple. Better sharpness, more details, and license plates that are super easy to read. I mean, just look at that. Isn't that awesome? You can zoom in so much, it is crazy. And especially right here, as you can see, compared to competitors. Here on the left side, it shows a natural color reproduction with true 4K clarity, offering higher sharpness and richer details. Again, making those license plates much easier and clearer and easier to read. But daytime quality is only half the story. Of course, I will also test this super night vision, especially from the front camera, to see how well it will handle road signs, headlights, shadows, and all in all, just real nighttime driving. And viewing as well as downloading audio footage is also super easy, simple and fast, thanks to the greatly improved Wi-Fi speeds and connectivity stability that I will show you through the app as well. And also, Redtiger is currently running its 6th anniversary, so they have a huge brand day going from June 1st to June 21st. So check out our exclusive link in the description and also use our code, you can see it right here, to get an extra 15% off. And also during the Redtiger Prime Day, which is running from June 23rd to 26th. So don't miss out. And yeah, looks absolutely amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. There we have the box nicely wrapped up, and here we have the front. Best features on the sides right here, especially the sensor and all the small print on the back. And inside, check this out, we have the description of the dash cam right there. Power supply, the tool, the rear camera with the cable, as well as cable clips, and of course all the paperwork and accessories right here. All of that will come out. Down here, camera. Beautiful. In here, all the paperwork, app book, it's all there. Then of course, nice and long cable for the rear camera, which is right here. Here for cable management. And we also get the cable to power it for the cigarette adapter, and this little tool right there to get it off again if need be. And the camera itself, well, first of all, we have the suction cup. So this is a semi-permanent solution, which is a rare feature when it gets to dash cams. Love to see that. And the camera itself is absolutely beautiful. Huge lens, absolutely epic build quality. And here a little guide for the buttons. Great buttons, by the way. So we can get that off as well. And while we're at it, the status light is right here, this little dot. We have the on-off button as well as the SD card slot. Then we have the M button for the menu, left, right, and OK button. Pretty simple, right? And with that, we can control everything, but of course, there's also an app. Here we have everything that we need, and I cleaned the windows beforehand, as you can see. Now the suction cup is truly a new level of comfort. Just peel this off, snap it into the dash cam, and just like that we can position it perfectly. Then up here, just plug in the power, and the other one is for the rear cam, plugs straight in as well. And talking about the rear, now this makes the whole ordeal super easy. So right there, pretty much like that. We can also easily adjust the angle. And that's it. Set this up perfectly, and now it is time for the app. Let's download and install it. Let's also turn on the ignition. Now this will light up blue, and as you can see, it will power up. Okay, let's quickly run through the setup. Oh, of course we need an SD card. Micro SD in with the card. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Inside here we have the full menu. We can access everything over the touch screen, but over the app it's of course way more convenient. So let's click on the plus, and of course, first of all, we need to sign up. And now we can add a dash cam, right? Give it all the permissions. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi. Again, we have blazing fast 5.8 turning on. Select the dash cam, just like that, connect, and there we go. Right, we have it linked up. We can even add a vehicle. Right here we even have a customer service. Super fast preview over the Wi-Fi, check that out. That's instant, literally instant transmission, incredible. We get the map, we can switch around the cameras, just like that. Oh, this one actually we need to mirror. And of course we also have all the settings. Just checking the resolution, it's on the highest, perfect. Here we can flip the camera. Now it should be perfect. Yes, that's great. As you can see, tons of settings. Speed unit would be kph in my case, even advanced features like a fatigue reminder and all of that good stuff. Absolutely epic app. Here now, it's time to take it for a ride. So there we go, straight against the sun. Absolutely lovely picture quality. And by the way, due to EU laws, I'm actually not allowed to show you real number plates, but as you can see right there, wow, the details. The sun is over there, perfect details. As you can see my face, wow, true 4K, and real number plates are even reflective, so you can see them even better. So let's go for a drive. And by the way, that's the onboard audio. Yes, it will also capture this, so whatever you're talking will be captured. Just incredible, and the quality is amazing, as you can hear. The huge wide angle lens will capture pretty much everything that you can see. Massive angle right there, everything will get captured beautifully. And now from the side, I mean, you could literally, whoa, I hate this. That crash would have been captured in great quality. I mean, literally you could use this in a movie. It's that great. And of course, also from the rear, the quality is spectacular. Same as in the front. And I actually can't wait to show you the night vision. Wow. Did you see that? Absolutely awesome night vision. I don't even have to bring my clip-on mic. Super dim lamp lights right there. Let's go to a, well, better lit up street. I mean, the audio is so nice. I don't even need to bring my mic. Wow, the Sony sensor is doing such a fantastic job. It's close to midnight. It's pitch black outside. Incredible details. I mean, look at that. Just a few dim lights lighting up the street. Incredible quality. And as you can see, the backside is also looking fantastic. Incredible. So overall, the Redtiger F7NA is clearly focused on all the features that matter the most when it gets to a dashcam system. Detail-rich, super sharp, clear, true 4K recording in the front. With this you will also get reliable nighttime footage, and it's just super easy and fast to access all your files. The Sony IMX678 sensor gives the front camera that extra clarity. Of course, 4K 30 FPS plus a 1080p rear camera. It gives you a full coverage in both directions, and the app connectivity with a blazing fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. That's the Wi-Fi 6 standard, by the way. Makes it just super easy and fast to preview or download your clips. And Redtiger even says the transfer speeds can exceed up to 20 megabytes per second. Absolutely mind-melting fast. The hands-on experience is also great. The touch screen is lovely. We also have the buttons. You can switch all the views quickly, as well as adjust all the settings on the dashcam itself. You don't have to pull out your phone. And there is even English voice control that adds a nice hands-off, hands-free control option, especially while driving. Super useful. So if you're looking for a new dashcam, especially with dual view and true 4K, well, this is it. Great nighttime footage, fast performance, you saw it. It is amazing. Use our links provided in the description. Don't forget to use our code to get a crazy discount. And don't forget to check out all the Prime Day as well as anniversary dates listed and linked as well. That was Chris with Tech Magnet, and I will see you next time.